cough or pertussis can last up to 100 days. But homeopathy offers a gentle, holistic way to support recovery. First, boosting the immune system is a key. Homeopaths often recommended vitamin C, probiotics, Immunosera, and vitamin D3, all known to enhance immune function and reduce symptoms. Next, nutrition matters. A balanced diet rich food in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains support healing. Avoid refined sugars, acid foods, and processed snacks to strengthen the body's defenses. Finally, homeopathic remedies like Antimonium, tartaricum for chest congestion, Drosera for the coughing, and Belladonna during early fever can ease symptoms and speed recovery. Always consult a qualified homeopath.